The smart refrigerators are going to be normal refrigerators, which will have the smartness incorporated in such a way that you can control the food which is there inside the refrigerator from far off distances. So you can say what action the refrigerator has to do based on the commands, even when you're away from your house using the IoT. IoT is Internet of Things. So these devices are connected to the internet, and you can control these devices through the internet, either from your smartphone, or you can have a voice recognition feature, or you can have a gesture control feature. On all other things, you can control the smartness of this refrigerator from far off distances. So what is the need for a smart refrigerator? Why do we need a smart refrigerator? You know that the three basic necessary things for humans are food, shelter, and clothing, right? So food is very important for humans, and it is our duty to protect the food. So the food what we buy and store in the fridge, if it is not properly maintained at a particular temperature or for a particular time period in a proper way, the food will become waste. And nowadays we have seen storing food and keeping it safe has become very critical because of the habit of wasting food has become common nowadays, and Americans or the people who are wasting 141 trillion calories of food every day. One side, you see people have money, they buy with that money, they are going to buy the food and eat, and they are going to waste the equal amount of food also. Other side, if you look at countries like Africa, where there is severe scarcity of food, so these two extremes are there, and how are we going to bridge that? How are we going to bridge that? Okay. So you see, 56% of developed countries, they are the consumption of food is either lost or wasted. In 56%, it is wasted in developed countries, whereas it is 44% it is wasted in developing countries. So we can say 1/4 to 1/3 of all the food produced is either lost or wasted. It's either lost or wasted. And we can see that where all the food is getting wasted per person per day. What is the reason for the food getting wasted? Okay. So there are several reasons for the wastage of food. One, you see, it is 61% of wastage is contributed to be from the consumer side. So you are buying the food, and you are not eating it. You are just throwing it away just because you have bought excess, or you have not stored it properly, and it has come from North America. The 61% of food is wasted by people of North America. Then comes Europe, then Asia, then Africa, other types of Africa, and finally Asia. And they have also said that 87% of food is lost or wasted in production, storage, and transport. While producing itself, the food is getting wasted because of improper techniques what you use. When you don't store the produce good, for example, in the countries like India, after harvesting, we see that there is no proper place for storage. So they put all the food grains in the empty grounds. Because of improper storage facility, the food is getting wasted and transport. So when you transport food from one place to another, there is a chance that the food might become stale, or the food might becomes unusable. Okay, so why food corrupts or get wasted? So mostly people store foods in an unintact way or uses wrong method to keep it refrigerated. So generally, the if you see people buying food and then wasting it, we cannot do anything about it. It has become, we can only instruct them not to waste food. But one other way where we can conserve the wastage of food is how properly it is stored inside the refrigerator. Okay, so that is one proper method where we can see how food is getting stored. So for that, one solution is going to be uh, we are going to have a smart refrigerator. So even when you are on vacation, you will be still be able to monitor the food temperature, whether the quality of food is good, whether it is consumable, whether it is fresh or rotten. All these can be done using a smart refrigerator, even when you are on a vacation to Caribbean islands. So even when you're on a vacation to a Caribbean islands, you can do this just sitting from there, and you can control what is happening inside the refrigerator of the food, which is inside the refrigerator, where the refrigerator is located in India. Okay, different features of the system. So you have so many sensors which are able to measure the temperature of the food and send you warning if the temperature rises for any reason. So you can have sensors to measure the temperature of food, and it will warn you the temperature is going to rise for any reason. So if for any reason the temperature of food is going to rise, it is going to clearly warn you, saying it is going to be the food is going to slowly lose its potential nutrients, and it can sense if there is any corrupt food that may affect the other food by sensing and analyzing the gases in the refrigerator atmosphere. You know that whenever a food is rotten or whenever the food is unpalatable or not fit for consumption, it will emit an odor, it will emit a bad odor. So that bad odor will be releasing some specific gases. So these gases, if you are able to detect, so by the presence of these gases, we can analyze whether any food is corrupt inside the refrigerator atmosphere. And we have a special feature for water. It can sense the amount of water in the refrigerator tank and how much exactly is its coolness. So you can measure whether you might have kept a number of bottles of filled with water for drinking it cold water, right? So it can sense the amount of water present and how much is the cooling level of the water, whether it is extremely cold or it is mild cold, or what is the level of coolness you can sense, and you can monitor that easily. Do you forget to bring some ingredients continuously for cooking and get shocked when you see out of them? So when you have certain regular items what you purchase and keep it in the fridge, and when suddenly one day when you start cooking, you find those items are out of stock. So for that also, this refrigerator has a feature which will warn you once if any item is out of stock in your fridge. So it will warn you that assume that you regularly consume tomato for any all the foods you will be using tomato, and when your tomato level is you have only two tomatoes and you have used it for the morning, and for the dinner you will not have tomatoes. So that will be sent immediately by your fridge, and it will be given as a warning to you. So each and every food element you have inside the refrigerator, you will be having sensors associated with them, and it will be notified to you immediately.